Today I'm gonna open my car. Let's go! Which way? This way or that way? Oh, this one is the remote controllers and this one is the car. Here are you. So heavy. Oopsie, sorry, batteries. Oh, that's it. Get out in your box. What are these? Are those? No, what's this? Oopsies, I think I need help taking my car off. Now my toy is out. Now I'm gonna put the battery on. Now, which way? This is so hard. Just need 2 batteries here. So I'm gonna put on the battery. This is so hard. How can you take this off? Maybe more holes? Batteries. Which way? This is so hard to figure out. I have to take off either. Is it working? Down. This is so hard. So guys, this is how to do. That's okay, just bye-bye. But I'm not gonna say that for the end of the video, but I am. This is so difficult. When you do this, it's so difficult before you use this as a grown-up. But I forgot something. Let's go put battery in the car! Need more screws. Screw it, screw it, screw it. This is so wobbly. Need 4 batteries. What is this for? That's for nothing. Ah! Actually, I'm so silly. 5 batteries. This, don't yell. 1 more. Don't yell. This is so hard. I don't know if it's ready. Yes, it is. Now I think it's gonna work this time. Oh, it's not. Ah! It's working. quiet. Hold on. Let's go check it out. Go in it. Oopsies. I'm landing. I'll go left. Until the table. Let's go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. So I'm gonna put my car like at this time, and I'm gonna hit it very hard. What? I didn't know he can do that. Now, let's take you a battle ride. Yes! So guys, I'm gonna put my small cars in the line. Let's see if I can crash them. These are so long. That's all. Which way? This way or that way? This one. This is a lot. Are we serious? If you subscribe my video, please click the bell button below. Bye! Have a great day. Have a car holiday.